How to add footer to only certain pages in Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Word. After that, simply in this footer section, write something like this. And now go to insert and simply page break. Tap on the footer of other page and all you have to do is not link this second page in this, and now you will be able to add footer to only certain pages. As you can see here, I have a footer, but in this I don't. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.